Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Jeep Compass. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels. We're going to look at the tread on the tires. Then inside you have cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. We're going to take a look inside of the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Compass on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.